Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you conditional logic inside GoHighLevel form. Okay, so first we have this form with the default fields. And for this demo, I'll just use this question here. So, what service are you interested in? And then another field saying, do you have experience with Google Ads? So, I'm using this because I want to show you different kinds of logical condition. So we have three options here: website design, SEO, and Google Ads. The reason I want to use conditional logic is because I don't really want everyone to see this field here. I want it to only appear once I click Google Ads. Okay, so let's make that happen. First, I need to hide this field. On the right corner, you can see this checkbox. Then click the first question, and then let's open the conditional logic. Oops, so I have original conditional logic here. Let's delete that first. Okay, so we have four options for this specific example. For this specific example, I'm going to use show or hide fields. So first, we're going to select what field it is, and that's the what service are you interested in is equal to Google Ads because I want to show the field, do you have experience with Google Ads? Save that. Let's save that. Then let's actually check if it's gonna work. So let's go to the form. Let's just refresh this. Okay, so on the customer side, this is what they will see. So they'll see what service are you interested in, and then we have these drop downs. So website design, SEO, and Google Ads. Remember earlier we set it to a conditional logic. So when we click Google Ads, it shows you have experience with Google Ads. And if we click another option, it should hide it. Okay, so let's move on to the other conditions. Let's click again the first question and then open the conditional logic. This time, let's try the redirect to URL. So again, click the first question is equal to, and then let's try the website design. So I want to direct them to my website when they click they're interested in a web design so they can see my portfolio. Okay, let's paste my website here. Then I actually want another condition. So this time I want to display a custom message. So let's try if they select SEO, I want to tell them contact me. Yeah, let's just put a simple message. Then let's click save, save, and then let's refresh the form again. Okay, now it's refreshed. Let's start over. So if I click Google Ads again, it will appear. If I click SEO or website design, nothing happens still because it will appear once you submit the form. Let me submit it for you guys real quick. So let me just pause it. Okay, so here's the result if we select website design. Let me just submit this one. Oops, it did not work. So let's see why. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, so this time it worked because the form before was actually a cached one. So now it redirect me to my website. So they'd want to contact me if they want to create a website. Go back to the form. Okay, so this time I want the SEO message. Oh, did I copy that? Yeah. Okay, let's try the SEO. So it displayed the message contact me. So that's the one we did earlier. So just a quick recap, we did three conditional logics, which is show field or hide, then redirect to URL, and lastly display a custom message. So that's it for this one. I hope this was helpful and I see you on the next video.